This is exercise 10F and it's questions 1 to 6. Question 1. Sarah Jane starts saving for her pension. She puts UK £1,500 into an annuity each year. Given that the annuity pays 3.5% interest, calculate how much she will have saved after 30 years. Is this a good investment? Well, this is how it's listed in your calculator. N is 30, the number of years. The interest rate is 3.5. Payment is minus 1,500 because she puts the money, she gives the money to the bank, so it's minus. And these are we're trying to keep these 1 and 1, and we'll adapt these ones up here to suit. And calculate, we've got the future value of £77,434.02. Yes, she has almost doubled her money. Question 2, Pedro puts Mexican pesos, 2,500 into an annuity that pays 2.8% interest per annum every month for 5 years. Calculate how much he has saved at the end of the 5 years, so we're looking for the future value. We're going to try to keep these as 1 and 1, and we're changing these to suit. So it's 5 years, but it's every month, so it's 5 times 12. The interest rate's 2.8% interest per year, so we divide that by 12 to get the monthly interest rate. We put all that in a minus here because he gives 2,500 pesos to the bank, and the GDC gives us a future value of 160,806.67. After 5 years, he has saved that much money. Question 3, Stinge has been left an annuity of 25,000 in a will, 25,000 euro, and of course his nickname is Stingy. The annuity is for 10 years at 6% per annum to be paid out annually. Work out the amount that Stinge receives each year. So that's how it's listed in the calculator, and we're going to use the calculator for that. It's 10 years, 6% per annum. The initial value, present value, is 25,000 euro. Future value is 0, goes down to 0. Now we're trying to keep these as 1, and that's easy here because it's annually and it's per annum interest rate, how much Stinge receives each year. So that's the one we're looking for. Put in the calculator, it comes out to 3,396.70 euro, and it's positive, so she receives the money. Number 4, Fiona has won an annuity of $6,000 US. It is for 5 years at 4.8% per annum to be paid out monthly. Find the monthly payments. Contrast the benefits of the full 6,000 in one payment or the annuity. Okay, so we're looking for the monthly payments. So we're looking for this one here. We want to try to keep these as 1 and 1, so we're going to change these to reflect that. So the period was 5 years, but it's monthly, so it's 5 times 12. The interest rate was 4.8, but we want to find it monthly, so we divide by 12. The present value is 6,000. Put that in the calculator and we get 112.68, so the monthly payments are $112.68. The comparison, it says contrast the benefits. So it's $112.68 per month, and there's 60 months, so that's 6,760.8. She benefits by receiving $760.80 more over the 5 years. Number 5, Mickey wants to receive an annuity of UK £500 a month for 5 years. The monthly interest rate is 0.8%. Determine the present value of the annuity. So we need to find this one here, the present value. Okay, so what do we know? We know that the period here is it's $500 a month for 5 years. So that's 5 times 12, that's 60. The interest rate's already given per month, so it's 0.8. The payment is £500 pounds a month. Future value is 0, and we're keeping these as 1 and 1, and the calculator comes up with the present value is 23,752.11, that much. So when it says determine the present value, that's our answer there. Question 6, you have 20,000 US and want to get a monthly income for 10 years. If the monthly interest rate is 0.9%, find how much you would receive each month. Comment on why you think that you would do this. All right, so this is what we know. We want to try to keep these as 1 and 1. So it's a monthly income for 10 years. That's 10 times 12 months. The interest rate's already given us a monthly interest rate, 0.9. The present value is 20,000. We're looking for the payment, how much you receive each month. Future value is 0. And that's what the calculator gives us. And it's positive, so we receive the money, that's 273.24. So each month I would receive $273.24. Over 10 years, the benefit is 273.24 times 120. That's how many months there are. And we take 20,000 from that, and we've got 12,788.80 cents there.